The purpose of the aircraft is medium lift assault support, which means providing the ground combat element or the infantry of the Marine Corps with whatever that may be, whether that's transport of their Marines in and out of a zone, delivering food, delivering ammo, medevac platform. It's pretty flexible in its ability to support the ground. This aircraft was developed by Bell Boeing to replace the CH-46 helicopter as the Marine Corps' medium lift assault support. So its primary role is to insert troops and cargo in and out of LZs and provide general medium lift support for the Marine Corps. Tomorrow, or Friday through Monday, we'll take the aircraft out and do a high-speed flyover in airplane mode to demonstrate its capabilities as an airplane, and then we'll convert in a helicopter and do some homework to demonstrate the aircraft's ability to hover. So you'll get to see both modes of flight.